feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
A dry cough usually means irritation or inflammation in your airways, like from allergies or a virus. In contrast, a productive cough brings up mucus, showing your lungs are working to clear out bacteria or pollutants. Recognizing the difference can help you decide when to rest or see a doctor, especially if your cough lasts more than a few weeks. Your cough reveals a lot about lung health. ...
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.